What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best coyote color on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Icotec Nomad Programmable Predator Call. 300-yard remote control range, 100-yard Bluetooth range. Plays 2 sounds simultaneously, included 2 play buttons and 2 pause buttons. Includes 165 sounds, featuring 15 sounds from Tony Tebb of Predator University. Store up to 2000 sounds on the included 32-bit SD card. Plays 24-bit .wav and .aaf file, but also can play 1632-bit .wav files. Save sounds from your smartphone via SD card, the Raise D card, or directly to the caller using the ATK adapter. Sold separately, incredible volume, sound clarity, long battery life. Includes at 400 decoy, auth adapter, SD card reader and smartphone are not included. The Nomad Predator Call leads the way in the industry with many groundbreaking features to make your next hunt a massive success. Whether you're coyote hunting moose, elk, bear, fox, coyote, you're sure to love what the Nomad from Icotec has to offer. Featuring the legendary 300-yard non-line of sight remote control, a 100-yard cable to Bluetooth range, capacity to hold up to 2000 sounds, the ability to load sounds to the call while in the field from your phone, tremendous battery life and so much more. You will not find a better value in the market. The new Plus series collars from Icotec offer Bluetooth-capable technology in each model. You may stream any sound from your smartphone to the collar when switched into Bluetooth mode and connected to an Icotec Plus series collar. Icotec has developed a free sound app called Animal Audio. Download the app for free. Sign up and start calling from your phone in just a few minutes. There are more than 150 free sounds in Animal Audio, as well as hundreds of professional in-app purchasables from leading audio creators in the predator hunting industry. Another amazing feature is the ability to download sounds from your phone onto the Nomad in the field right from the Animal Audio app. In just seconds, you can have new 24-bit .wav sound files on your collar that you can activate with your long-range remote control. It is a ground shift in technology in the predator calling industry. In our list, the number 4 product name is Fox Pro Hellcat Pro Coyote Call. Proudly made in the USA from the one predator call company in the world. Easy to use, portable, all-in-one digital game call and decoy that delivers big volume with advanced features for coyotes, fox, bobcats, mountain lions, wolf, bear, raccoons, crows, deer, elk, moose, hogs and more. Chuckes and more. Features the popular TX 1000 remote control with full-color graphic backlit LCD screen with durable raised backlit buttons and includes these Fox features: Foxpang, Foxcast, and Auto Volume. Remote operates on 3 air batteries, not included. 10 लाख की 99 की built-in. Lithium battery pack and wall charger included. Includes 100 premium Fox Pro sounds and can store 1000 sounds via the USB-C port. Also includes over 100 sounds from Fox Pro's free sound library. Programmed with 10 professional calling stand sequences to take the pros from Fox Pro with you in the field. Simply select a sequence to target a specific species, and the Hellcat Pro will automatically select all sounds and volume levels. No additional input is needed from you. Keep your eyes out in front of you instead of on the remote control for more success. Create your own sequences for even greater customization. In our list, the number 3 product name is Icotec Outlaw Professional Predator Seal. The Outlaw Predator Call leads the way in the industry with many ground-shifting features to make your next hunt a massive success. Whether you're coyote hunting, fox hunting, or hunting for any other predator, you're sure to love the Outlaw from Icotec. The Outlaw Predator Call Decoy combo offers professional-grade durability, sound quality, volume level, long-range remote activation, and features that make it a snap to operate during a hectic predator stand. Developed by and for professional predator hunters who demand performance and still want a practically priced product. Included in this combo is the tremendously successful AD400 electronic decoy. The AD400 includes 2 separate lures that are extremely effective. The decoy also includes a speed dial for customizing the rotational speed and an LED for night hunting with a decoy. The Outlaw employs an elevated front end that allows the sounds to blast out over ground cover. Icotec recommends that customers avoid using Duracell batteries in our collars as the voltage is too low. We recommend the 14.8VC4 lithium rechargeable powerhouse from Icotec, alkaline 1.5V batteries, or lithium 1.5V batteries. Also, we recommend against using lithium-ion batteries in Jex remotes. Icotec works with a vast staff of predator professionals around the world. Our pro staff associates work with our products to help us better design and develop a series of products that will best serve their demanding requirements. Durability, reliability, and ease of use are key points that we strive to perfect. In our list, the number 2 product name is Icotec Night Stalker for Coyote Color. The Night Stalker programmable game call offers professional-grade durability, sound quality, volume level, long-range remote activation, and features that make it a snap to operate during a hectic predator stand. Developed by and for professional predator hunters who demand performance. 300-yard remote control. Play call files from the supplied Cheeks remote control from 300 yards with no line of sight requirement. You can also play 2 sounds simultaneously. Amazingly powerful yet simple to operate. Day and night screen modes for your hunting needs. Stream Bluetooth audio by phone. Play any sound to the Night Stalker that you can play on your phone via the Bluetooth capability. If you have a sound that you want to play on your call and you can play it on your phone, now you can with Icotec. Transfer files to call SD card W phone. Save.wav or .av animal audio files from your phone or from the app directly onto the AS card provided with your Night Stalker. Requires an SD card reader or auth adapter to transfer files to the SD card or to the caller via the provided USB cable. Download Animal Audio app for free. Animal Audio app is a custom and powerful predator calling app designed for the serious hunter. With playlists, you can play multiple calls with different volume levels and delayed starting times, as well as repeats in a simple navigation interface. In our list, the number one product name is Fox Pro Coyote Call for Hunting. The Shockwave remote control features a full-color graphic LCD screen which displays your sound list or sound categories, has a barometer indicator, moon phase indicator, temperature indicator, battery level indicator, timer or time clock, Foxbunk technology, and much more. OISA Pro Shockwave redefines what an electronic game call can do with several new Fox Pro innovations. Tag Fox Motion allows you to automatically fade the sound from the left speaker to the right speakers to help the reality of your call sounds. Fox Fusion allows you to mix and match any two sounds at the same time during your calling sequence. Is unmatched customer support and is proudly made in the USA. Fox Motion mimic moving prey by fading sound from left speaker to right one. Fox Fusion mix match any two sounds of your choice. Fox Pitch manipulate the pitch of any sound in an effort to trigger a response. Trigger response. Cast virtually hands-free calling with Fox Cast sequence files. Foxbang automatically maps your caller to a predetermined setting after discharging your firearm. Two reentrant horn speakers, two tweeters, file formats MP3, WAV, OGG, FLAC, 24 billion, and FKIX 100 preloaded sounds, 1000 capacity, operates on 10 AA batteries, 4 speaker system, moon phase indicator,